Bluehost versus Hostinger, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Bluehost and Hostinger and which one is better for you. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So first I'm going to take a look at Bluehost and tell you all its features and pricings and services, and then I'm going to tell you about Hostinger, so that way you guys know for sure which one to pick. So first up we have Hostinger, and before I say anything, if you want to sign up onto both of these two platforms, then make sure to check the link in the description for both. The links will be provided there. You can go ahead and sign up on both of these websites after you watch this video to see which one you pick. You can go ahead and check out the links in the description. So first off, we have Bluehost, and Bluehost is a pretty good website builder tool for you. It also helps you host websites. It gives you domain and manages domain and provides security for them as well. So over here at the top, as you can see, it is also affiliated with WordPress. We have website builder for WordPress, WordPress hostings, and manage WordPress and WooCommerce as well. So if you want to, make a WordPress website or a WooCommerce store or whatever, you can go ahead and do that through Bluehost while maintaining all of the hosting and domain names. And as you can see, hostings over here, they even have shared hostings, dedicated hostings, and VPS hostings as well. And I have used VPS hosting as well, which is pretty good. And then we have domains. Now, if you don't know what a domain name is, it's basically a name of the website. So as you can see over here, it's called bluehost.com. That is its domain. So if I search for anything over here, I can get a domain name and it will give me the prices. And over here, as you can see, we have .com. We can search for any domain we want. So we have a .net, we have .org, .online, .site, .website, .space, .tech, many more. So let's go ahead and search for whatever, right? So if you search for, let's just say Max Johnson. If you search for .com, it will go ahead and search for it. As you can see, maxjohnson.com. As you can see, it's unavailable right now, but as you can see, some of the other great domains are available. So .tech is available for $4.99, and .website is available for $1.99, and .online is available for $4.99. So each domain has its own pricing as well. So as you can see, .blog, it's worth around $22. So as you can see, it's worth more than these ones, although it's not really common. And as you can see, .info and .us and .life, these are worth even more. So if you want to, pick a domain, make sure you pick a right one that is very, easily obtainable as well. So if I go back over here, and if I scroll down below, we can see the pricings of each domain. So as you can see, .com is worth $12.99, .net is worth $14.99, and .org is worth $19.99, and so on and so on. So as you can see, each domain has its own pricings. And over here, if you scroll down below, as you can see, these are some of the features that they provide for your domains. As you can see, they provide easy domain management, domain forwarding. They have auto renewals as well, which means that every year it'll, renew automatically, and it protects your domain from expiring without you lifting a finger, as the name suggests. And we have domain lock as well, which is basically a type of security for your domain so that it doesn't get hacked or unauthorized transfers or whatever. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's really good. And over here, as I told you before, we even have WordPress hostings as well. So if you want to, go to do that through Bluehost, you can go ahead and do that as well. And over here, we have websites and stores. So if you want, you can go ahead and build a website store and online store as well. So let's go ahead and check that out. So this is the website builder. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So basically, you have to actually get a plan to actually access it while we're over here, and for the online store as well. So each one has different ones. So while we're over here, let me just show you a little bit about their plans. So this is a 12-month plan. Okay, so for a year, you basically have to pay $2.99 a month, and normally it's like $10.99, but there's a sale going on, so it's down to $3. So as you can see, for the basic plan, which is perfect for blogs and whatnot, they offer unlimited websites, hosting included, 300 design templates, blog post management, image library with unlimited uploads, free SSL, free domain for 1 year, and free email marketing as well, which is pretty insane. And for pro ones, they also provide all of that, but they also provide 30 additional premium design templates, domain privacy, online payments for WooCommerce store, unlimited online store products, and 10 pricing and packaging templates as well. So which is pretty cool. And this one is worth $10 a month. It's normally $15, but as I said before, there's a sale going on. And for the final package, which is called the online store package, it's worth $25, and it has all the other things that you would need for an online store. So it has discount discount code generator, online appointment booking, subscription services, in-cart product customization, local country tax management, and code guard backup basic included. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's really easy. I would recommend using the basic one if you're not, looking for an online store or a professional store. Then I would suggest the basic one, so that way you can get a feel of Bluehost and see if it's actually worth your while. So now that we know a little bit more about Bluehost, let's go ahead and take a look at Hostinger. So as you can see, this is the Hostinger website, and as I said before, if you want to go ahead and check it out, make sure you check out the links in the description below for it as well. There are going to be two links, one for Bluehost and one for Hostinger, so make sure you check that out. And as you can see right now, there's a deal going on, which they are giving away. So they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and they're offering free SSL and Cloudflare included, and it's only for $259 a month. So as I said before, there's a deal going on. You can go ahead and check it out. And as for pricings, as you can see, we have a little bit more cheaper pricings as well. So the basic plan is worth $1.39, and the premium one is worth $2.60 a month. And for the business standard one, it's worth $3.99 per month, which is usually $15.99 per month, but right now, as I said, the sale is going on. So if you check out the basic one, we get like one free website, 30 gigabytes SSD storage, 1,000 visits per month, email accounts, free SSL, which is for free. Usually it's $11, but right now you will get free SSL. You will not, however, get a free domain or Google Ads credits, although you will get like 100 gigabytes bandwidth, manage WordPress, WordPress acceleration, and 30-day money-back guarantee, and 2 databases, and a Get Access, GIT, and a Get Access. And for the premium plan, you have all of those things, but you also get free SSL, you also get free domain, you also get Google credits, unlimited bandwidth, manage WordPress, Get Access, and SSH access as well. And you also get 25,000 visits per monthly, and you get 100 websites as well, which I think is pretty amazing. And we can go ahead and see all the features as well. So let's go ahead and click on all features. And these are some of the other features as well. So you get weekly backups, 99.9% uptime guarantee, which means that your website will never get down. It will always be up. And you have 2 subdomains and 1 FTP account and 2 porn jobs as well, which is like a scheduled command or scripts on a server that you run periodically every day. So as you can see, it's pretty amazing. And for the standard package, this one was for the basic one. For the standard one, you get all of those things, as well as the unlimited FTP accounts and unlimited cron jobs, and you get 100 subdomains as well. So as you can see, it's pretty amazing. It's really good. Whichever, plan you choose, it depends upon you, but you should start with the basic one as well, so just to get a feel of it, and then if you like it, you can go ahead and upgrade it if you want. Now they also have hostings as well. So as you can see over here, if I click on hostings, they have web hosting, they have cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, cPanel hosting, VPS hosting, Minecraft server hosting. So if you're into Minecraft, then you can go ahead and do that as well, and CyberPanel and web hosting for agencies as well. They also have email support as well. So they have Google Workspace email hosting, Titan email hosting. They also have domains as well. So domain checker and, domain transfer as well. So if you already have a domain, you can then transfer it to Hostinger as well. And I already showed you the pricings and stuff like that. So whichever one you choose depends upon you. You can go ahead and check out the links in the description below to sign up on both of these awesome websites. And also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. Having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.